Yo, what's up, everyone? My name's Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. I'm a creator of words that hit. I make things that speak before you even read them. This is Stay Rare, and let's turn it into a statement. Design isn't just what you make. It's what you say without saying it. And Virgil taught me to turn words into concept. Westside Gunn taught me to make it raw, confident, and unforgettable. This is where remixing happens. This is where remixing happens. You gotta keep the base sketch, but tweak the spacing, line weight, really adding variation to it, and we always gotta have flow to it, because flow, along with the other things I just said, it helps out a lot. Virgil would remix Helvetica. I remix brushstrokes. And with Westside Gunn, his energy comes through raw edges, attitude, and intentional imperfection. Virgil makes Helvetica hit, and as you see, I make brushstrokes speak. Every line carries energy, philosophy, and grit. You should be able to feel it before you even read it. Not just decoration and not just skill. Something that speaks, something rare. Virgil gave vision, Gunn gave attitude. Stay rare is both. So the next time you pick up your pen, ask yourself this: am I staying rare? Am I being my honest, true self? That's how design becomes more than art. It becomes energy. And I appreciate you making it through the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And check out all my links in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all so much for your time and your support.